In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an extension to AWS in just 5 minutes. We'll walk through the steps to set you up for success in using AWS Lambda, a powerful serverless computing service. If you're new to this or just need a refresher, don't worry. We've got you covered. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open your preferred web browser. Most of the time, this will be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you typically use to access the internet. Once your browser is open, head to the search bar at the top. Type in AWS and hit Enter, or click the search icon. This should direct you to the official Amazon Web Services homepage. From here, access your AWS account by logging in. It's important to make sure your credentials are handy, as security is paramount, and you'll need to authenticate your identity. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the AWS Management Console page, the central dashboard where you can manage your AWS resources. Now, let's focus on opening the Lambda console. To do this, locate the Services menu at the top of the page or use the search bar to swiftly find Lambda. Click on Lambda to open the console. Once inside, navigate to the specific function that you're currently working on or that requires an extension. After selecting your Lambda function, your next step is to look for the Code tab. Click on it. As you explore this section, you should notice a sub-option called Layers. This area is crucial because it allows you to manage the additional code dependencies or libraries your function might require. Click on Layers and you'll see an option to Add a Layer. Clicking this will lead you to a page where you can add various layers to your Lambda function. For this next part, you'll need the Amazon resource name, commonly referred to as the ARN, for the extension layer you want to incorporate. An ARN is a unique identifier for resources in AWS, so it's important to have this information at the ready. Once you have your ARN, choose the option Specify an ARN within the Add a Layer section. In the provided field, paste or type the ARN of the extension layer you intend to add to your function. Double-check this information to ensure accuracy, and then proceed. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you're able to add an extension to your AWS Lambda function efficiently. Remember, navigating through AWS may seem complex at first, but with practice, it becomes much more intuitive. Whether you're enhancing your function with additional capabilities or just fine-tuning its performance, understanding how to manage layers is an essential skill. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more AWS tips.